What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on your Instagram profile. Now this is super simple and quick. Once you have your Instagram app open, you're just going to head over to your profile page. And then once you're at your profile page, hit the three lines in the upper right hand corner and then hit settings. And then once you're at this screen here, you're going to hit account. It should be third from the bottom once you get to this menu. And then personal information, that's at the top of account. You're going to be left with a bunch of personal information. I blocked it out, but one of them is the birthday. I think it's the third one. There's only a few of them there. You should be able to find it. But then once you're at this screen here, you could just set it to whatever birthday you want. Obviously, you would probably want to just put your real birthday, but if you're doing this for some other reason or creating a profile for someone else, you could just add the birthday for however you want. Now, this won't actually be displayed on your profile, but this is actually more important than you think when it comes to algorithm stuff and how Instagram collects its data. You want your account to be working perfectly and how it should to fit your needs for Instagram. If you found this at all confusing or you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.